Well, customer didn't have heat this morning, changed batteries and the thermostat turned on. Well, kinda. Not getting a light for the flame sensor. It says the flame sensor's okay. But let's see. The furnace is way oversized for the house. As you mentioned, the Blue Ridge fire not far away in the Yorba-Linda area. That has burned around 8,000 acres right now. Hundreds of firefighters battling that one as there are more than 5 way oversized. In and around Irvine, related to the Silverado fire. And of course, we had that tragic incident yesterday in which 2 firefighters were... Oh, let's check. 60% of their bodies, second and third degree burns. They are still in the hospital as of this morning, Sandra. We have not had any updates. Now we'll check some gas pressure. My Lord, I can't even get the freaking thing off of there. There we go. Wow. What is that, a 15? Let's check our blower cap, kind of run through it. $15.2 on the blower cap, so our blower cap's good. What's that? Huh, a flame sensor wire. Huh. Oh, this is Ignitor wire. Oh, look at that. That's really loose. That Igniter wire was just barely on there. That could have been the problem. Flame sensors, clean as can be. Is that Ignitor or flame sensor? That was Ignitor. That wire was just barely on there. I bet you that's what it was. Strange. Really hard to get temperized on this because there's nowhere to get it temperized. I'm going to check manifold pressure. And of course, you may be able to save money and receive additional benefits. Call 800-454-1178. 800-454-1178. Veterans, you know mortgage rates. Let me run out and get my tool for that. Okay, service key. That's what works the best. You can tell I'm at an older gentleman's house because
that TV is. You can probably hear the TV over me. This house can't be maybe 1,300 square feet. And it's got a 100,000 BTU furnace in it. Strange. Get it started back up. Probably gonna adjust this down because if it's at 3.5, it's not gonna handle it. She don't want to light up. Stump of gas, no lighty lighty.
Well, I hear from the Biden campaign that they're pretty comfortable, though they don't want to take it for granted with all these polls. And you look at state by state, they seem to be up in most of the battleground states. But
So I know I got an igniter problem here. See how much gas pressure I'm putting through. I didn't pay attention. Scared the crap out of me. Stubby won't work. Just see my stubby down here. There it is. Maybe it will. Turn this gas pressure down, but I'll turn it down to 1.3. What kind of range do I have? Alright, don't give you a range. It says 3.5, that's it, that's all you get. No, we're going to turn her down a little. Oops, too far. We're under at 1.3. That's good for me. It's just oversized for the house. But I think I have either an igniter problem or a control board problem. See how that spark looks. Gotta let it run its cycle. Now, whoa. Turn it off, turn it back on. And then I see this. Who'd cut into the igniter line? Look at that. It's pinched. Melted. Well, let me run out and get a wire nut because I'm going to wire nut that. That's not good. I don't know why someone would put tape over that. Strange. Strange, strange, strange. I'm gonna order a new igniter for it.
Molly, everybody sit by. We are going to do as we have been now. We get down into the lake stretch, going to where the
Let's tear it apart here and see what's up.
Obama is holding a boat drive-in rally in Orlando, Florida. Let's tune in.
Until next Tuesday, you got two ways to vote right now. Number one, you can vote early in person right now. Number two, you can vote from home with a mail-in ballot. Don't wait. Put it in the mail.
Strange. Let's try it again. Crap, I think I forgot my razor blade at home. That's smashed. See how our spark is now. Oh yeah. Doesn't look like that igniter is right. Looks like the damn thing's bent.
You know what he brought up? He was fussing about the crowd size and inauguration again. Saying his was bigger. Who is thinking about that right now? Nobody except him. But the rest of us have
Shouldn't be bent. And of course, as soon as I put my pliers on it, it's going to
in this country are dead. More than 100,000 small
break.
businesses have closed. 500,000 jobs are gone in Florida alone. Think about that. And what's his closing argument?
Well, guess what? Gotta get a new one.
People are too close to some token. He's thinking, and one of the token, he's complaining. He's jealous of COVID.
Well, let me call and see if I can get a new one. Well, that's the part number. But apparently it's supposed to have it's not supposed to be straight. But I don't think.
Is inheriting a better world. That's what they care about.
Oh no, that wire was pinched. It barely went on there, so I'm thinking it's igniter here. There we go. Get that new igniter on there.
We shouldn't be making people wait in line for hours. We should be making it easier for everybody to vote, not harder.
You know, another thing. Stick the mirror back there and look at the bridge burner. That bridge looks nice and clean. Burner's nice and clean. That thing should spark right up. That fits on there nice and tight. Alright, let's go for it. Let's see what it does. As you remember before, it was not lighting up very fast. I mean, this thing should light up like lickety split. Better. It was freaking me out before. It was pumping gas. I thought it was going to blow out. You know, when the furnace is light, you always want to kind of stand off to the side. what it was, Igniter. I've never seen these go bad. Hardly ever. Strange. Cool. Got the gas pressure adjusted. Filters checked. We're gonna call this one done. Right on. Well, I'll teach you not to bend your igniter or break it. Yeah, lights up like nothing. Strange. Gosh. When I do hit temperature. Wasn't flashing a code. Let me see what it's gonna do. Yeah, that's all it was. We cycled it too quick. Limit tripped. Fan turned on. But it's good to go. Whew, they like it hot. Like it hot. Alright guys. That's it for this one. We'll see you on the next one.